Super windy today. I guess East Michigan is dealing with some severe thunderstorms. At least the wind feels good. Oh, that looks kind of cool. We got some storms coming, I know that.
Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of this.
I'm taking videos. I know there's gonna be a storm coming, so I'm just taking videos of how the clouds look before the storm rolls in. That looks awesome. Man.
Looks like it's gonna be a bad thunderstorm.
I don't know. Guess we'll see.
Funny story is I gotta mow tomorrow too.
Yep.
It rains and I can't mow.
Yeah.
That's what I want to do tomorrow.
Oh, I just missed it. There was a lightning bolt right before I started recording. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. You can tell it's downpouring right there. It's bright and then it just gets darker and darker. Looks like we're gonna get something. I'm already feeling the weather breeze. It's not a big one yet, but I can feel it. I don't know. It's not spinning as much, or not turning as much now. I think it's just kind of spreading out, more or less. Yep, here's the wind. Holy crap. Yeah. We'll be alright. Oh, nah, that's not a funnel cloud. That's not a funnel cloud. I thought that was a funnel cloud for a sec.
What cloud?
That cloud right there.
Oh, I see it because it looks like it's spinning.
Yeah. That one cloud over there looks like a paw print of some sort. Oh, here comes the wind. We should probably get out from under the power lines, dude.
Get off, buddy. This power lines ain't gonna go down.
Wow. Okay, just running into Bangor real quick. I think the worst of it did go south of us because it's pretty dark south of us. I gotta slow down. There's a lot of water on the road and it's causing me to hydroplane a bit. Oh, excuse me. Raining harder here than it is in Breedsville. Good grief. Ooh, shit. Once you hit the brakes and the truck kind of fishtailed a bit. Damn. That is crazy. It's lighter that way, so see how it is here in a bit, I guess. Look at those things flapping. Can't see them too well, but oh shit. Time for full blast on the windshield wipers. Good grief, man. Wow. Yeah, that's not a funnel cloud, but it's a cool looking cloud though.
Yeah, it is. What is that? Your boy? No.
Somebody from down the street.
Okay.
Way to go, buddy. You're on YouTube. Or you're on video, excuse me.
At least I'm not on.
There's some lightning north of us. Not sure how well you guys could see it. Yep. It's not going on repeatedly, but it's going on pretty good north of us. I guess according to the radar, the storm's split and it the worst of it's going to kind of miss us, but we're probably going to get the tail end of some strong winds. Not too sure when exactly. Got some lightning to our northwest now. Wind's kind of picking up now. really seeing as much lightning as I was a little bit ago, but wind's picking up. Probably hear it blowing on the trees. Probably see the trees moving as well. Oh, I'm starting to feel some raindrops. Yeah, I gotta turn my light off. There's a car coming. Oh, starting to see more lightning. Ooh, crap. Whoa. Flash of lightning, and then that sensor light went out for a little bit and then came back on. I mean, I guess that could have been a power flash, but I don't know. Some of the other lights stayed on, so who knows? Oh shit. Stuff coming from the trees. I gotta get out from under the power lines. Oh boy. Ooh. That wind's getting worse. Holy crap. Good grief, man. Oh man. There's the rain. It's kind of picking up now. Shit, there was just a power flash. There it is. Yep, power flash. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but that was a power flash. Son of a bitch. Now we gotta get a hold of Consumers Energy. Fuck. Gotta get in my truck right now. Still 73 degrees out right now. I don't know why I had those wipers on, but man, my phone's not really doing the best at charging at this point. I don't know if it's something to do with my connector or what, but I really shouldn't be running this truck right now because there's something that needs to be replaced in it that shuts my truck down after I drive it for a period of time. But luckily I don't have to go anywhere tonight, so I ain't worried. I'm thinking I need a lifter or a fuel pump replaced or something. I don't know. Better shut my brights off. There's a car coming. That's freaking storming like, or raining like crazy. Oh shit, I didn't realize there was a car coming. Sorry, buddy. Man, I gotta roll my window up. Shut that light off. Guess I could shut my other phone light off.